good morning. Ngayong araw, yung mga hindi naglilipstick na, di ba? Ready na sa Dimple kasi pupunta kami sa Cartdrome Motor City. It's Apling, si Jen, tsaka si Inday Lalin. So, abangan nyo mamaya kung makasakay kami o hindi.
Depende sa height.
Depende sa height kasi hindi kami pasok sa height. Alright? So, abangan nyo ang aming Cartdrome mamaya, no? So, pang makeup, pang sampal ng mga kamay ng mga kuan. Tapos nakapuyod dahil, sasakay kami ng Cartdrome. O mag-paintball na naman daw. Ang daming gana. Diba? So, abangan. Guwapa kayo kung iyaan, oh. So, ang pangutana, ang dako kayong pangutana, makasakay ba ka ni kay 157 cm man? Kunya, 150 cm lang man ko day. Ay sa, taxi rabot na. So, good morning guys. So, we're heading towards Motor City to check whether we can ride the Cartdrome because of our height, no? So the Cartdrome has a 157 centimeter height. So let's see if we can ride. Otherwise, we will go back home and sleep. Okay, Mr. Shahid?
Yes.
Yeah, so our captain for today is Mr. Shahid. Is it okay to film you? Mr. Shahid is from India.
No, Bangladesh.
Wrong, very wrong.
Very wrong. Okay, so he is from Bangladesh. So he will drop us to the Motor City from our home in Financial Center. Okay, so have a safe flight. Fasten your seatbelt. This is your captain speaking, Miss NJ, along with our co-pilot, Mr. Shahid. Okay. So guys, naabot na gid mi sa Dubai Cartdrome, no? So na may race.
Wala.
May race siya kaya hindi kami pwedeng magsakay. So pinapasok kami, libre lang namang manood. So manood kami, no? Okay, so happy na ka? Lalin, happy na?
Happy na. Kita lang tagos sa ko.
Happy na mo, girls? Na nandito tayo sa Cartdrome. Happy, kagwapa. So guys, mag-register daw muna kami bago kami makasakay, no? So, register. Ito, magre-register kami dito.